Hello everyone. We're gonna start with the task 2. What is the internet? So we're gonna open here. This is the second task of TryHackme. So what is the internet? Now we know that we learned what is the network is and how one defines this computer. Just device connected, let's explore the internet. The internet is one giant network and consists of many small networks in itself. Using your example from the previous tasks, let's know image of Alice made some friends named Zion and Toby. That she was introduced Bob and Jim. The problem is that Alice is the only person who speaks the same language as Zion and Toby. So Alice will have to be the messenger. Like you see here, Alice, this is Bob Jim, and this is Zion, and she's the only one that speaks the language. She's gonna make the messenger. So because Alice can speak both languages, they can communicate to one another through Alice, forming a new network. The first interaction of the internet was with a partnet project in the late 60s. This project was founded by the United States Defense Department and was the first documented network in action. However, it's until the 89 when the internet as we know it was invented by Tim Berners-Lee by the creation of the World Wide Web. WW, like you know. It wasn't until this point that the internet started to use as a repository for storing and sharing information for just like you know it today. Let's relate Alice's network of friends, the computer device. The internet looks like a much larger version of this short diagram. So here we have network 1, network 2, and network 3. This is the internet or the private, the public network. He will be the Alice, so I'm going to come here later. So, previous statement, the network is made up many small networks all joined together. These small networks are called private networks, where networks connecting these small networks are called public networks or internet. So to recap, a network can be one of two types, a private network and a public network. Device will use as a set of labels to identify themselves or network, which we will come into in this task below. So come here to the diagram. Sorry guys. So, like I was saying, network 1, 2, and 3, this is like we say a private network, and he been to be a gym, just to give you an idea, and he is the private network, public network or internet. That will be the Alice in this diagram here, and you can see it here. So we have I just answered, sorry guys, I made it first. Who invented the World Wide Web? You can see here the answer, Tim Berners-Lee, as you can see here. Again, this project, World Wide Web. So this is all for today. I'm Cristina Fernandez, and see you in the next task. See you guys.